Hello, so today we're looking at question 605, can place flowers. So given a long flower bed in which some of the plots have been planted, we want to figure out if n new flowers can be planted in the flower bed without violating the no adjacent flowers rule or not. So for example, given this array, we can plant one flower in the middle right here at index 2 because then the resulting flower bed wouldn't have any adjacent flowers. Given example 2, we can't plant 2 because there's only one spot left. So here are some constraints that I won't go through. Now let us come over to the whiteboard and try to figure out how to solve this question. So let's just have an array like what the example has given us. One of the ways we can solve this question is to kind of like append 2 zeros back and forth, and then we kind of have a sliding window that goes through like each of these three elements, and depending on how many three consecutive zeros there are, we will take note of that and add 1 to our count variable, and in the end, we, depending on how many count variable there are, we will return count. If count is more than or equals to n, we'll return true. If not, we will return false. So let's try and implement that. Okay, so first up, we want to append the zeros front and back. Okay, and then we will write our for loop to do the traversal. For I in range 0, length of new array, if we meet I forgot to initialize the count variable. If new array I to I plus 3 is equals to 0, 0, 0, then we do the count plus equals to 1, increment count, and then we also have to remember to kind of like plant our 1 at that position. In the end, we return count. If it's more or equals to n, we return true. If not, we return false. Let's try to submit this. Okay, something is wrong. Let's try to debug this. Maybe we are supposed to do a sliding window of step 2. Okay. What's going on? Okay, let's think. Oh, I forgot this. Alright, okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.